how to connect your Discord to N8N. So first thing you want to do is creating a Discord webhook. So open Discord, go to integrations, and then give your webhook a name, and then copy the webhook URL, which will be used in N8N. Then setting up your N8N webhook node. So in your N8N workflow, add a new node and select webhook, open the webhook node configuration, paste the copied Discord webhook URL, and choose the HTTP method, usually which is POST, that will trigger the webhook. Then, using the Discord node, which is an alternative, you can also use the Discord node in N8N for more complex interactions. To connect it, you'll need to create a Discord application and bot, and obtain the bot token or use 0 or OAuth 2 authentication, and you'll need to invite the bot to your Discord server and grant it the necessary permissions, and the Discord node allows you to perform actions like sending messages, managing channels, and more. You can also have the triggering actions in N8N. So after setting up the webhooks or Discord node, you can either add nodes to your workflow to process the data and trigger actions based on incoming messages or events. For example, you can use the set node to customize the message content before it's sent to Discord. You can also use the switch node to route message based on certain conditions. And that's how you can connect Discord to N8N.